What's up everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGT Tech. And guys, in this video, let us discuss about the Samsung Galaxy Note 20. Well, if I have to describe this particular smartphone in a single sentence, then I will say that this is a good phone with not so good intention. Well guys, from the first point itself, when Samsung was planning to make this particular smartphone, their main aim was to make this kind of smartphone kind of overpriced. Well guys, this year, the Samsung has given the majority amount of emphasis to the Ultra smartphone. So the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is the real Note phone of 2020. Well, so obviously the Note 20 Ultra is the most flagship smartphone by Samsung, but if you look in terms of the Note 20, then it is a weird story. Well guys, first of all, every single specification is kind of limited. Well guys, the battery is a little smaller, the display is only of 1080p resolution, it is a 60Hz panel, and the entire back panel is made up of plastic. And guys, all of these things might be a downgrade, but if you hold this kind of smartphone in person, then it feels very much premium. But there is only one pressing issue, and that is the plastic bag. Well guys, many people believe that having a plastic bag is actually a better choice because you will not have a shattered back panel. But still guys, if you are paying $1000 for this kind of phone, then you obviously need a nice glass panel. And guys, in all aspects, this phone has no problem. Well guys, fun fact, you will even like this smartphone better than few of the OnePlus phones. But the thing is, this price tag is of $1000, and guys, simply if this smartphone would have been for $700, it would have been a still of a deal. And on the other hand, if Samsung would have upscaled all of those features kind of to the Note 20 Ultra, then it would have made lot of sense. But guys, don't take this in a wrong way, because overall it is a very good smartphone. Well guys, but just the difference is, like the difference between Samsung's mid-range phone and this particular Note 20 is very much minimum. Well guys, Samsung has recently launched the Samsung Galaxy Fan Edition. So in short, with that kind of smartphone, you're basically getting like this kind of feature set. But the whole and sole question is about the overall price tag, because guys, easily Samsung could have launched this phone at around $700 to $800, and that would have made lot of sense because there are a majority amount of people who want to have a Note device. Well, all of the hardware components are of very nice quality, but just the thing is, nothing is flagship level. Well guys, 1080p display is common, you're talking about a low refresh rate display, and also there is nothing breakthrough. Like in all of the ultra smartphones of Samsung, you get to see like 100x space zoom or a 108 megapixel camera, but with this kind of Note, you're only getting 3 12 megapixel sensors, and also there is no laser autofocus. So combining all of this factors together, it is not that good of a deal. Well guys, see, I personally will not at all recommend you to buy this particular smartphone, and the obvious reason is the price to performance ratio, because simply you are paying too much for such a kind of specifications. So this doesn't mean that this phone is lacking in anything, but just it is kind of overpriced. So guys, after a couple of months in the used market, you will get this phone below $500 also. So guys, definitely wait for that particular time and then you can buy this kind of smartphone. But if you are planning to pay 78,000 rupees or $1,000 for this phone, then it is simply not worth it. So guys, I hope that this particular video was little bit helpful, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it motivates me a lot to make more of this kind of videos. So guys, I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.